How to replace the hose on your Dyson DC40, DC41 or similar models. Firstly, remove the bin, and then we need to remove the wand just by pulling up on it, and then we'll need to press the button on the old hose to remove the wand from it. Now we have the hose looking like this, and round the front you'll see a little red tab. That needs to be pressed in at the same time as pulling up on the hose with your other hand, and then the hose will release like so. Now we need to fit the new one, and this has got a black tab because it's not a genuine Dyson hose, but it fits the same. So we put it in tab first and push down on the hose until we hear it click. Then check it's all in place and make sure it's not coming out. Then we need to thread it onto the wand. Just press the button in on the hose and thread the wand through, and then push the wand down into the vacuum cleaner like so. And then we just simply need to put the bin back on and our repair is complete. Please subscribe to my channel for more Dyson help videos. This next one is if you don't want to buy a new hose, I'll show you how to repair your old split one.